Okay, if you just want to put this shift tray, you have to move the finisher off. Make sure you unplug the copier, unplug the connector, you probably know that, and you have to remove this screw. It's a long screw. Come on, screw. Doesn't want to come out. Okay, one screw, and the other one is here. This one, big one, also no screwdriver. Just take it out. Okay, that's your screw, like this. And then just pull that unit out. It comes out. Just grab it and pull it out. Put it on the floor. Take this one, and you have to kind of watch out for this tray. But all the way, you just have to put it. Make sure it's unplugged. You have to just maneuver this thing. And just make sure it's aligning correctly, and that's it. If it's rolling down like a burrito, you might also replace this roller over here. There are two different rollers over here. So, but if it's coming nicely, leave it like it is. But if it's coming like rolling, like burrito, then you have to. And you can take this off too. This piece, you don't need it. This one, it just comes out, nothing into it. There's also a roller over here. There are two different ones. Let me put the lights on. I don't have a lights on. Okay, so see if it's working. If it's working, don't touch it. But if it's not, you push it on this end. I usually push it, and I don't have three hands, so, and you lift it up a little bit. Come on. And the whole thing comes out. It looks like this. So, but if it's coming out okay, it's not rolling like burrito, don't touch it. Just leave it like it is. It's fine. Because the other roller is slightly different. It has a thicker rollers to prevent, folding like burrito. But leave it like it is. I wouldn't even change it. See if it's gonna work without replacing this. Okay, that's all.